Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting an elegantly built, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property has a total floor area of approximately 350 square meters on a 280 square meter lot. It's also facing west, and you also have a carport area for 3 vehicles. Now, let's begin this tour. The first thing that you notice here is that impactful and modern facade. And now let's head on through here towards your pedestrian gate. Let's go. To your right, you immediately have a nice landscape pocket garden, which gives you access to the side of the house all the way to the back of the house. And to your right, you have a carport area for 3 vehicles. Currently, the property just finished construction. That's why there are still some construction materials here. But we're going to show you a few images showing the approximate look and feel of the parking area. And now let's head on over towards your main entry. The ground level is elevated by a few feet from street level. There's no flooding in this area, but this gives you a nice vantage point as well. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by a high ceiling space for your hallway, and you also have this nice touch of having a window beside your main door, giving natural light for the hallway space. And now, let's begin by taking a look at your grand living area. You have a high ceiling space and beautiful cove lighting. The staircase is showcased very well from this angle. And you can imagine having your living room set right here. And what's great about this property is it already has 7 split type air conditioning units included, 2 here in the main amenity areas, and 1 each for the 5 rooms of the property. You also have a nice minimalist marble design for the flooring, which matches very well with the aesthetic of the entire home. And now from your living area, let's now take a look at your dining space. It's defined by the cove lighting right here, and you can easily have a table for 8, maybe even 10 people here. You have a provision here for a light fixture if you want to have your own personal touch, like having a light fixture over your main dining table. You also have natural light coming from 2 sides of the room, which both lead towards tiled patio spaces. Let's take a look over here. I love how this space was maximized such that the tiled areas were pushed all the way to the perimeter wall. So you were able to use this entire area. You can have a table here, some chairs, a nice lounge area, and an alfresco dining space on top of your main dining area. You also have a nice plant box over here, And the patio's tiled area wraps around the corner of the house. Here's another perspective, and you can see that you can access it from this side also of the dining room. Now let's head on in. Now it's time to take a look at your modern open kitchen. I love the minimalist aesthetic and the gray colors of the cabinetry, which match well with the splash tile. And you also have a Kuchen branded stainless steel range hood and oven and cooktop already. And you have plenty of space to navigate here. You have a stainless steel sink and 2 windows for plenty of ventilation for your kitchen. You also have a large island countertop, which is excellent for meal prepping and also for entertaining guests, because you can imagine being right here and having a great view of your dining and living areas. And on this side, we have a door leading to your auxiliary space and staff room. Currently, we can't explore it right now because it has some construction materials, but here are some images so that you have an idea on the look and feel of the spaces. Now let's head on over here towards the first room in the house. And you immediately see one of the nice features of this property, which is having the Narra parquet flooring, which adds a bit of warmth, which is a nice counterbalance to the modern aesthetic of the property. And once again, you have the Samsung split type air conditioning unit already included. And right here, you have the bathroom with a very modern look. And this is quite spacious. And this area also doubles as the powder room because you can access it from the hallway. And now let's take the stairs towards the second level where we have your 4 remaining bedrooms. Let's go. This is such a pleasing vantage point as you go up and down the stairs, having this elevated landing overlooking your patio, living, dining, and kitchen spaces. Now let's head on up. You also have this beautiful wood used for the staircase, which matches the railing as well. And you have a tempered glass barrier along the second level hallway. The property has such warm and welcoming lighting, and it's showcased even more as the early evening comes around. Now let's take a look at your second bedroom. And right now, this is the primary bedroom or master bedroom as well. So you have elegant pin lights all around the room. Of course, you can have stronger lights installed here after purchasing the home if you want to have a different feel as well. But in terms of the spacing, you can have 2 bedside tables with lamps on this side with a large bed, a king-sized bed right here with plenty of space left over for having an entertainment console on this side. And once again, you have that beautiful wooden flooring. And this primary bedroom also has its own balcony at the front of the house. Now we're here at the balcony space, and you can see it's a little bit larger than a Juliet balcony. This is a nice additional space to just relax on top of your master bedroom. And you also have sturdily installed tempered glass barriers here, which add to the modern aesthetic of the facade. Let's head on in. And right here you have your primary bathroom and walk-in closet space. Wow. What stands out to me for this area is how the storage spaces maximize the ceiling height. You have a nice area to display bags and personal items, and the area is large enough to even have an island countertop. So you can have your personal items here while you're preparing. At the same time, you have such an elegant dual vanity sink space with these large mirrors as well. And this is even maximized for additional storage. And I like how sturdily built the cabinet is. It feels very well made. And on this side, you have your tempered glass shower enclosure, even with a seat, and of course, your bathtub with an additional display area right here to add to the feeling of space to the area. Having those mirrors here gives a more expansive feeling for the space. Okay, and of course you have your toilet on this side as well. Okay, it's time to explore the next bedrooms here at the second floor. So we have the third bedroom right here. Currently, there's still a bit of construction being done here, but let us show you very quickly an image of the bathroom and the main bedroom just as an approximate look of this space. Okay. Now let's take a look here at the fourth bedroom. The feel of this house is like you're in a hotel because of the lighting. It feels very low-key and calming. It feels so nice to come home to a home like this at the end of the day and just relax. You can imagine having the aircons on and having a large bed right here. And you have storage already. And of course, an ensuite bathroom. Floor to ceiling tiling, and having that nice indirect lighting behind the mirror once again. Okay. And the fixtures used are Bravant branded, which is a quality brand as well. And now here we have your fifth bedroom. Two windows. I'd also like to mention the ceiling height is quite considerable. And you can fit like a semi-double bed here in terms of the size. And once again, the hallway space and all the bedrooms in the second level as well as the first bedroom at the ground level all have quality Narra parquet flooring. And you have an ensuite bathroom once again. What's different about this bathroom is it has an additional storage area, and the designers of this home were able to fit this nice interior design element of having this display area with lights as well. And that caps off our house tour of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. I love how this home was put together with all the features of having the aircons included, 5 rooms, 3 carport area, as well as quality Narra flooring for all the 5 rooms and even the hallway at the second level, along with that spacious tiled patio space and your high ceiling. If you want to know more about this property and visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.